Hello everyone, welcome to GaN Wine Lounge, to this another episode where we will talk about the latest news, the latest EPC Renesas collaboration. We have posted this news last weeks. So we have the honor to be here with Rohan Samsi, Vice President GaN Business Division at Renesas. Hi Rohan, welcome aboard.
Hi, Maurizio. Good to be here.
And Alex Lidow, CEO of EPC. Hi, Alex. Welcome aboard.
Hey, Maurizio.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So we are here to analyze, in particular, as I mentioned, the latest news of EPC Renesas partnership in terms of GaN, what this means for different market, for AI power, for consumer, and our speakers, our guests will share with you each detail. So under this partnership, this agreement, Renesas will gain access to EPC low voltage GaN technology and also its supply chain ecosystem with the goal to accelerate the adoption of high performance GaN solutions across a broad range of markets. EPC and Renesas will also collaborate over the next year to establish internal wafer fabrication capabilities for this product. And in addition, Renesas will second source several of EPC's popular GaN devices that are already in mass production. So let's start this interview. I have prepared a couple of questions. Let's start with you, Alex. So can you give us a quick overview of EPC low voltage GaN technology and its impact of modern power electronics?
So EPC has been in mass production for 16 years now with our GaN transistors, and EPC was the original developer of the modern enhancement mode transistor and native enhancement mode. And our first applications were LiDAR. And our GaN devices are basically in every LiDAR system out there. LiDAR is used in autonomous machines of all types, most famously autonomous cars, headlamps, automotive systems like 48 volt to 12, electric pumps and things like that. More recently, EPC's GaN devices were designed into humanoid robots starting in 2019, as well as AI systems starting back in 2019. And that, of course, those applications have all been doing quite well.
Thank you. So, Rohan, can you share your strategy? Can you share Renesas GaN strategy and how this partnership, this collaboration would complement your existing high voltage solutions portfolio after the acquisition of Transform?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for creating that wonderful segue, Maurizio. I think you accurately started it off with the acquisition of Transform. Renesas acquired one of the most industry-leading D-mode high voltage portfolios that was out there, along with the capabilities of the ecosystem that it had in its portfolio even prior to that, combined with things like microcontrollers. The only missing piece, I would say, at that point in time was a low voltage, GaN, and we are happy to partner with EPC, the industry leader in the low voltage GaN portfolio. So this is a great win-win. It rounds out our portfolio with an essential but missing piece of the GaN portfolio.
Thank you, Rohan. So, Alex, let's focus in terms of application, in terms of industries connected to this partnership. So, which new applications or industries are you most excited about that as low voltage GaN adoption would expand, is going to expand, particularly, as I mentioned, in the context of this partnership with Renesas?
Renesas is a major, well-established and well-respected semiconductor company with a reach that's global and reach to all industries. And EPC is a small company, and obviously doesn't have that kind of reach. So I'm really looking forward to Renesas, helping to penetrate the automotive market, which is huge. That's a $5 billion MOSFET market that could convert to GaN, not overnight, obviously, but completely. In addition, the Japanese market, that's a market that EPC is not served. It's a very complex market, and Renesas, of course, is an expert in that area. Industrial markets, areas where Renesas is an extraordinary stronghold, is an area where I also think that they will give us access where we've not been able to gain much access before. So really, huge new markets are open up to the two of us, and hopefully we'll be able to support each other and therefore make it much better than any of us individually going after those markets.
Thank you, Alex. So, Rohan, let's focus in terms of capabilities in integrating high and low voltage and also benefits. So, what unique capabilities are you bringing to the table in integrating high and low voltage GaN solutions, GaN devices, and benefits to designers, engineers working on complex power systems?
Great question, Maurizio. So as the way I look at the GaN world, right, the essential building blocks are the transistor, right? So with the acquisition of Transform and now the partnership with EPC, I think those secure our foundations with the building blocks of the two GaN technologies, which is low voltage and high voltage GaN. As you go further up, the value chain, I think Renesas has done an excellent job with past acquisitions and integrating those past acquisitions into the ecosystem play, particularly in terms of controllers, drivers, integrated power stages. And then as you move further up the value chain and you now look at the entire system, we are even engaged one of the largest suppliers of microcontrollers, particularly in the automotive sector, as Alex pointed out, have great relationships. So now as you move up the value chain, you see this level of value being brought to our customers. And to add on top of that, we even have EDA with the acquisition of Altium and integration of Altium. Now we can do all the way, including a software-enabled ecosystem that allows us to go, and more importantly, it allows our customers to engage with us right from an idea to an implementation, from the very from their brain cells to a realized solution, I call it. Right? So this is the unique value that Renesas is able to bring, and we value EPC with this latest partnership in sort of completing this whole picture.
Thank you. Great. So let's focus in terms of wafer, as I mentioned, Alex. So how will EPC support Renesas in establishing internal GaN wafer fabrication capabilities and benefits that this would bring to the market, to the ecosystem, to the wider GaN ecosystem?
So the objective is to get the process installed in Renesas's wafer fab in Japan, and that's a fairly long and complex process. So we started with what are the long poles in the tent, and that's make sure the equipment set is in place to do that. And we've already gone through that phase. Renesas is securing the equipment needed to make GaN. That's comparable to EPC's GaN, and now we're in a series of documents and training sessions leading up to Renesas being able to produce it themselves in their own fab. In the meantime, Renesas has full access to the foundries that EPC uses to buy either identical products or products of their own design, and we're training their designers to do products of their own design. So very quickly, Renesas can both second source EPC, create their own portfolio of devices, and then over time port it over to their own internal fab.
Thank you. And Rohan, indeed, talking about second sourcing, what step is Renesas taking to ensure robust second sourcing and reliable production of EPC solutions, EPC derived devices?
Yes. So I think Alex pointed it out. It's a phased approach, right? The initial approach is to sort of second source existing EPC devices from the existing foundries. There is a pretty significant learning phase for Renesas, right? And we are embarking on that journey with the assistance of EPC, I must add, and their capable engineers. Because it's one thing to get the know-how, but it's more important to get the know why. And we're now in the process of getting the know why incorporated into Renesas. So what does this help? This helps really. The winner out of this is our customer base, right? It allows the expansion of the proverbial pie, so to speak, so we can address more customers. And the pie, as Alex pointed out at the very beginning of his conversation, is frankly untapped, right? If I were to, it's small. Today our share is small, but the potential is absolutely massive. And I think this partnership will really allow our customers to see how far GaN can be pushed to serve their needs, right? And that's the most important message.
Yes, great. Thank you. So a great moment for GaN, a great moment for consumer people. So and it's a great moment for the GaN technology. So to wrap up, let's look forward, look ahead at the future of this collaboration. Alex, so how do you see, to conclude, EPC and Renesas working together over the next year to accelerate GaN adoption, bring these solutions, as also to mention, to high volume market with the goal to maintain quality and reliability as well?
Yeah, so our goal is to, make GaN really, really capable, not just the how, but the why, so that they can take this technology forward. EPC is way out in front of any other low voltage GaN company, and we need help. We need more people working at the front and working with us as opposed to trying to imitate what we have and compete against us. So I really think that this is going to be an amazing lever for GaN and for EPC going forward.
Thank you. And Rohan, from Renesas perspective, to conclude and looking forward, how do you envision this partnership evolving in terms of innovation, expanding new market, and supporting people as well?
Exactly. To me, the two words that come into my mind are reach and manufacturing capabilities, right? Which is two thoughts, right? And so the reach of Renesas with respect to the depth of the customer base, the width of the customer base is phenomenal. And I think that allows this technology to become really mainstream and access the larger piece of the customer base and really innovate there. And the second thing is the manufacturing capability. With our internal fabrication, we are also able to bring the best manufacturing capabilities, and the amount of investments Renesas has made towards GaN manufacturing really drives the forefront of manufacturing technology and capability, right? So bringing technology in from EPC and then putting it on cutting edge equipment really changes the game for all of us.
All right. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Alex and Rohan. Thanks a lot, EPC and Renesas, for your time and for this great interview. So we got the honor to have you and talking about different perspective and this agreement collaboration about GaN technology. Thanks a lot for joining us at GaN Wine Lounge. So stay in touch with our channel. Talk soon and have a good day.